on the Nifty and the FMCG index, and this is after the Q1 numbers. It was the cigarette volumes which again came in as a positive surprise, and the street managed to reward the stock as well. 302 is where it is currently in trade. Kunal, just wanted your quick take on ITC, and if you had to give out or pick out one name out of ITC and Unilever for a trade, which one would that be?
So I think at current point it would be ITC because of the fact that the stock is showing renewed signs of strength. It's come out of almost a 1 year consolidation, 30-35 rupee consolidation, 260, 295, and the good part about the chart patterns are these are weekly and monthly breakouts. So those kind of breakouts, they tend to last for a couple of weeks, couple of months at least. So I think ITC could be one of the few trades which on a large cap side should be taken at current levels as well.
DMart, that is also going to be a very important one today.
I don't think there will be a challenge with growth, Aisha, because they keep on expanding stores, and I think you can be reasonably sure that whatever big baskets and others are claiming, there's no disruption there. So DMart has got their bond model right. The point is that with DMart, have you got your pricing right at 1400 rupees? And if you buy DMart right now, can you expect a double-digit kind of a return in next 12 months? I guess that's the question. Yeah. Now, there is a school of thought which a Basant Maheshwari or a Rahul Rathi or somebody like Prashant Jain will give you. I'm taking names here because we all know that they own these stocks. They are of the view that gold never comes cheap, and you have to, if you buy a house at Pedder Road, a Pedder Road house will obviously come at a price. So that's the analogy which I get from investors who bought into DMart, that बहुत अच्छा चीज ले रहे हो तो महंगा ही मिलेगा. The call you got to take is that it's at 1400. At 1400, if you have a 3-year time frame, are there better options in large cap stocks which can give you a double-digit return? That's the call you need to take. And I think on that account, I don't think DMart is going to give you that promise of a P expansion and a return. The company is going to grow. That's not a problem.
But it could very well turn out to be one of those HDFC Bank kind of stories, right? Steady compounder and a good compounder at that, if at least the short-lived history is anything to go by.
Yeah, so HDFC Bank also, you look at the elongated chart, it has gone through periods of time-wise correction. Sure, it has not given you return for 1 year, 2 years, sometimes 1.5 years. It's not that with every quarter you get a fixed 4% return. It's not a debt market, that it's a coupon. So with DMart, it may well actually happen. In fact, if you look at DMart 1 month chart, 1.5 month chart, correct me if I'm wrong, CK and Kunal, I think 1.5 month or 2 months the stock has done nothing. It's pretty much been dancing in the same place.
It's been there only for I think more than that period. It's just been flat for a while.
Yeah. Feeling of deja vu, same sort of discussion we had when it was 1000, exactly same, that it's expensive, it may not give you double-digit return, but it stands at 1600 today, almost 60% return in matter of 1 year.
No, so the point is that in stock markets, sometimes you will get back-ended returns, sometimes you will get front-ended returns, sometimes you may buy a stock which will continue to grow and it may not give you that return. I think with DMart, you're reaching that level where the company will grow and you will say, company grow kara return kyun nahi aa raha, 70 ka P hai. It is not a P multiple which is cheap. But to grant it to